Hey there, outdoor explorers! Welcome to another exciting adventure where we dive deep into the world of hiking and trail exploration. Ready to crack the code of trail markers? Hiking is awesome, but getting lost? Not so much. Today, we're going to make sure you never lose your way again by mastering the art of reading trail markers. Trail markers are like your personal GPS in the wild. They guide you through the twists and turns of nature, ensuring you stay on the right path. Let's start with the basics. First up, the classic single rectangle. A single rectangle painted on trees or rocks. This is your basic go this way sign, simple and effective. It's like a reassuring nod from nature, telling you you're on the right track. It's your basic go this way sign, simple and effective. Next, the cairns. Stacked rocks that say, you're on the right path. These are especially handy when the trail isn't clear, like in rocky or open areas where traditional markers might not be visible. They're especially handy when the trail isn't clear. Cairns are like little stone guardians, guiding you through the wilderness. Then there's the arrow. Found on signs or painted surfaces, arrows point you in the exact direction you need to go. They're like nature's way of saying, "This way, adventurer." It points you in the exact direction you need to go. Arrows are straightforward and leave no room for doubt. Have you seen trail signs with numbers or letters? These often indicate distances or specific trail names. They're incredibly useful for keeping track of your hike and knowing exactly where you are and how far you have to go. Super useful for keeping track of your hike. Knowing the distance can help you manage your energy and plan your breaks. Oh, and don't forget the double blaze. Two rectangles, one above the other. This means a sharp turn or a change in direction is coming up. It's like a heads up from the trail telling you to pay attention. It means a sharp turn or a change in direction is coming up. Double blazes are crucial for staying on course, especially in dense forests or areas with lots of intersecting paths. Lastly, there are colored shapes, like triangles or diamonds. Different colors can mark different types of trails or difficulty levels. For example, green might indicate an easy trail, blue for moderate, and black for challenging. Green for easy, blue for moderate, and black for challenging. These color codes help you choose a trail that matches your skill level and prepare accordingly. So next time you hit the trails, keep an eye out for these markers. They're there to guide you and make your adventure safer and more fun. Keep an eye out for these markers. They're there to guide you and make your adventure safer and more fun. Understanding these markers can turn a potentially confusing hike into a smooth and enjoyable journey. They're there to guide you and make your adventure safer and more fun. Happy hiking! Remember, the more you know, the more confident you'll feel on the trail. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more outdoor tips. We're here to help you make the most of your outdoor adventures. See you on the trail. Until next time, happy hiking and stay safe out there.